Okay, so now that we've got that kind of block and we've taken away the diagonal and the notch, we need to worry about our kind of holes for the ping pong balls to be stored in and a handle. The way we're going to do this is the same as we have done before. We're going to start a 2D sketch, left click on that, and go on this front face here. Just going to move it around so I can see it a little bit clearer. And we need to draw a point which is 20 down from the bottom of this notch. So just like we have done before, we're going to left click on point and we're going to go left click there, use the dimension tool, left click on dimension tool, left click on that point and left click on this point here. Make sure that that is 20 and we're going to press enter. From there we need to draw a line across, so like you might have done with your tri-square, to know where the circles are going to go. So we are going to left click on line, but we're going to use this tool up here and we're going to make it a construction line. Left click on that. And we're just going to drag that line across, make sure that it's nice and straight. And you'll notice that it's kind of a dashed line. It's a bit of a construction line. We can then draw out our circles. So we're going to left click on the circle tool, and on this line we're going to draw left click, and then we're going to draw out one which is 41 millimeters in diameter. Okay, and then we're going to draw out another one which is 41 millimeters in diameter. Now you'll notice that these are currently construction lines. We don't want them to be construction lines for circles. The line, it doesn't matter, but for circles we don't want it to be. You can left click on it, make sure it goes blue, turn off construction line, and do the same for the other one. Now we need to make sure these are at the right kind of measurements on our block. So we are going to use the dimension tool, and we're going to get the middle point, left click on this. We're going to click on our point at the left. Now that's currently 96. We want that to be 75.5 in the center. And then we're going to use the same thing. We're going to use the dimension tool. We're going to left click from this middle point of the other circle and this middle point here. Now that distance is currently 93. We want that to be 61. We're going to press OK. And then we can left click on our construction line, press delete, and then we can finish sketch. Now that's where our ping pong ball is going to be stored. So we're going to use the extrude tool, make left click on this one, left click on this one, and we're going to take it away from the material. Just like that. Make sure that you keep saving your work. You can just do that by pressing File, Save As, or you can press Ctrl S as a shortcut. So now we've got those circles, we need to think about a handle as well. So we're going to left click, start 2D sketch again. Got a repetition here. And click on that front face. And we can start to draw out some sort of handle. So I'm just going to use the line tool, but you can use an arc tool. And you can play about yourself to see if you can do this. Maybe make your own handle using all of these tools here with you so far. So we can use the line tool, very basic. Left click down here. I'm going to go for something like that. Maybe bring that down. Bring that down. Draw that across. Should be able to just extrude that now. Take it away. That's just kind of a rough handle, but that's up to you how you want to make your handle. That should work as just a basic. If you just want to copy that one, that's fine. And we can also do another 2D sketch and give it a bit of a curve at the top maybe. So we can go a bit of an arc tool. We can click a point on this line, a point on this line, and then maybe curve it a little bit. And then extrude that top bit. It's up to you what you want to do. But I'm not actually going to do that in this sketch. So that looks like ping pong launcher is pretty much there for part 2, and then we need to focus on adding the kind of block at the top, the dowels and the peg at the top. So make sure you save that, and then we'll go on to part 3.